Hello, sweet one, and welcome to this week's guided meditation as we sink deeper into our own personal power. Find a comfortable position, either sitting with your spine long or lying down with your body supported. Let your hands rest softly on your lap or beside you. Close your eyes and begin to notice your breath. No need to change it, simply notice. Feel the weight of your body sinking into the ground beneath you. Feel how the earth holds you. Now with your next inhale, imagine the desert. Wide, endless, golden sands stretching out in every direction. The air is dry and warm. The horizon glows with twilight, and in the distance, the great Sphinx awaits. You are safe. You are guided. This is your journey. Let's scan through your body, inviting relaxation into every part. Start at the crown of your head. Soften your forehead, the space between your eyebrows. Relax your jaw. Unclench your teeth. Let the shoulders drop. Feel heaviness in your arms, your hands. Notice the steady rhythm of your chest rising and falling. Relax the belly, the hips, the legs, all the way down to your toes. Now bring your awareness to your solar plexus, the space just below your rib cage, at the center of your body. Breathe deeply into this space. Inhale, feel it expand. Exhale, let it soften. Inhale light into the solar plexus. Exhale any heaviness, any stories, any projections. Again, breathing in and out, letting each exhale release what is not yours to carry. Continue these big, deep breaths in and out. And in your mind's eye, return to that desert path. Feel your feet pressing into the sand with each step as you walk closer and closer to the Sphinx It is massive, ancient, unmoving, carved with the wisdom of the ages. The air shifts as you approach. The Sphinx does not move, but you feel its eyes upon you. The Sphinx is here to invite you into deeper truth. As you stand before it, the Sphinx opens its mouth, and without words it asks you a riddle. It may sound like a question you've been carrying, like why can't the world see? Why do I feel this burn? Maybe why can't I let go? Let the question rise. Let it echo in your mind. Don't push it away. Breathe it in. As the question circulates, place your hand on your heart. Breathe deeply. Let go of logic, let go of a need for a clean answer, and let your heart answer the question. Whisper the answer out loud now. With your hand still on your heart, imagine golden light flooding from this space down into your solar plexus. The light is warm, radiant, powerful. With every inhale, the light grows brighter. With every exhale, it dissolves projections, control, old stories, and fear. Breathe this in for a few moments, inhaling light into the solar plexus. Exhale and release what is not yours. Notice how your body feels as you let the question soften, as you return to your own sovereignty. As you stand here, you feel the sand from below and the sun from above warming you from the inside out. continuing to burn away all that does not serve you, but also filling you with an intense and sacred power, igniting your sovereignty, activating you fully as you expand into your truth and feel brave enough to share it with the world, however that may look for you. Feel the power as you inhale deeply and exhale fully. Feel the way you come back to your center, your truth, the clarity of your heart. You always have power in every moment to return to this clear stillness within, to move from that open heart and open mind, to stand firm and rooted in your knowing and your sovereignty now and always, as you carry the wisdom of the Sphinx within you, a divine knowing in all moments. Continuing to breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. See yourself standing once more before the Sphinx. It doesn't tell you if you're right or wrong. Instead, it sees your truth. It feels your sovereignty. And slowly, the Sphinx steps aside. The path ahead opens. You take a step forward, lighter, freer, more sovereign. The riddles of your mind may still exist, but they no longer control you. You carry your truth, and that is enough. Take a deep breath in. Exhale slowly. When you're ready, begin to return to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Gently open your eyes. You are here. You are sovereign. You are free. Remember, the Sphinx was never asking for the perfect answer. It was asking for your truth. Carry that with you into your day. Namaste.